Hello, this is my video tutorial on how you can record directly from the editor. Once you open the new discussion, you write your topic, name of your subject. For example, recording from the editor. Then you can explore these different icons, and here, for example, you've got an icon to record audio files, so a microphone, then a little camera where you can record videos, and this little icon which shows you that you can insert different media. So I'm going to record from the editor, and I need this icon of a mic. So I click on it and click Start Recording. Hello, this is my video tutorial on how to record directly from the editor. Once you stop, you can play it again to check if you're satisfied with your recording. If you are, you can attach your recording. Then you can also make a video. But if you click on this little arrow here, you will have a lot more options. So you've got a lot of different icons, and you've got a different microphone here and a different camera, so you can use them as well to record audio and video on Poodle. You can use this little camera to take a picture. You can use this icon to insert widget. You can also use this little pencil, for example, to draw something. I will try to make a little smiley. Not very good with mouse. Okay, so I've inserted my little smiley. So you can explore and do different things directly in your editor. If you are happy with all the changes you've made, you can then post it on the forum. Thank you very much for your attention, and bye.